is the group 1 project, and I'm going to find all the biotin biosynthesis genes in the E. coli K12. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the NCBI and I'm going to filter for PubMed, just so I can look up the E. coli. Oops, that's not what I wanted. So it is here. And let me expand this. Okay, so then you just want to make sure you're looking for reviewed. And this is the one that I kept looking for. And I found this. It gives you like the pathway, and it does show you the genes such as BioH, BioF. But yes, so yes. Cool. Now I know that BioB is associated with this. Let's see. We can find a better pathway. Okay, well, so this method is okay, but it's hard to find the specific genes that are in the entire pathway. So that is one way to do it. And then the other way to find the genes a little bit more quickly is to go back to the NCBI homepage and this time look for protein. And like BioB, for example, was in the pathways. You can see the biotin synthetase pathway is BioB. So from there, you can just hit also type in the strand here. Okay, so then you go right here, biotin synthetase. This is exactly what we want. And then it's gonna load here. So you can see here, this would be to the FAFSA files that you can put into Excel and sort through. So right here, oh, I'm so glad it came up. I've had trouble getting to this one only because for some reason it doesn't load, especially if it's super long. So had trouble with that. But you can see all the types of information in this one. So you can see, the sequence data, and then you can also find the EC number, which is right here. So that's cool. So then what you can do is you can actually take each one of these and kind of sort through what genes you want based on the picture that we found in the previous article, but like BioH, all those different things. But since we didn't really find that, another way to find it is to go to the pathways right here, and you can hit biotin metabolism here. And then this is cool because it'll actually keep it from KEGG here. And you can click on this, and then you can go to all the different genes here and the enzymes. And you can click on them. We can click on this one, and then you can see this is BioF. Let's see if we can find BioB. This would be BioB. So it'll give you all that information, give you about where the pathways it's in. So this is a better way, I think, to look into it, just because it gives you that pathway, and then it'll give you the sequence data as well. So then the last way I kind of found it, which is like all in kind of one big step, just because the tutorials that I was looking at from the professor were a little out of date, just because I couldn't find certain links. So I really like this one right here. So you go to Uniprot here. Yeah, my Wi-Fi is really slow, so a lot of times things don't load perfectly, but then I just type in E. coli here. Sorry, it takes a long time. And then on the side here, it has a bunch of search terms here, and I'm looking for pathway. So here it is right here. And then once that loads, you can go to the cofactor biosynthesis here. And you wanna that's not it. Let me fix it. So this is it right here, and then I'm just going to click on the number here for the Biotin biosynthesis, just so I can get the results in. And then on the side, I'm going to hit the E. coli K12 strand right here. And I'm going to go to columns, and then you can search through all these different things. I'm going to go ahead and hit sequence. And you can add a whole bunch of things. So protein names, organism, proteins. Let's do anyway, so then you can have all these in here, and you can have the sequence, you can have the organism, the gene names, which is what we wanted. I wanted to know if they had the enzyme names, but we did find that in the keg. It did show those enzymes as well. But this is a way to kind of put it into an Excel sheet. You can have Brenda here. Oh, I'm just going to open all these just so I can find. Because I'm going to also put in PubMed as well. And so I'm just going to open all these just so I can find it here. Okay, so that was clicked, but I don't think it really matters. But this is a nice way to just customize it, just so you can have all of it in front of you. So then I can hit here we go. And let's see if we have enzymes. Okay, well, that's still good. Save. Here, okay, and so then you can hit download, and you can do the FAFSA, and you can do uncompressed, and you hit go, and then it'll bring up, I don't have an application to bring this up in, just because this is a new computer for me, but I could probably let's see, put it in text edit. Okay, I'll just open it in that. When I took a class in the past, usually when we had the FAFSA files and everything, we could put it into this system called R, and then we can play around with it. Since this is a new computer, I haven't put it in, I haven't downloaded R, and it does take a little bit to download that. So I cannot open it, but I can view the first 10 here, which would give you the FAFSA files in here. And then you can go and sort through them through the, make sure they're in the right format and everything. And so yeah, that'll give you all the enzymes also for the Biotin pathway here. So I guess you can read them up here. All those different things. So yeah, that was my presentation. Hopefully it helped a little bit. Thank you.